Whoopsies. Typed in the wrong name for the stream there. Yeah, that will be fine. Oh, so you can change it after you start streaming on Twitch, but not on YouTube. That's awesome. I'm glad that Google does the best they can with all of their money. Whatever. Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Tuesday morning here. Still pretty snowed in these days, but what are you gonna do? We're gonna be doing some programming, doing some work today. But first, of course, we have to have our morning caffeine here. So join me now. This is some nice Earl Grey from my fiance, my beautiful fiance, and we'll all have our first sip of the day together. All right. So today, the thing I want to get done first, because I think we kind of unblocked, or I kind of unblocked things finally with whatever crap was going on with Swift that I didn't really understand before, in terms of all the property wrapper and how like the Swift UI state works. I still don't really know how it works, but I now know what the syntax is trying to drive at, and so we were able to get a version of things working. But there's Xcode. I think the thing I want to do right now is try to get rid of Xcode from my life. That is by far the most crucial thing of the day is figuring out how to stop having to launch Xcode every day. Which means that we're going to have to learn at least like the very basics of the Xcode build tools command line. So like if I do that, that's going to launch Xcode, I'm pretty sure. Or it'll just do nothing. Huh. How about that? Well, that's swell. Okay. Well, I guess not that one. But if we do like z help z hash help, we gotta find something. Here we go. So I mean, none of those look right here. All right, let's look it up. Xcode CLI build. Xcode build. All right, let's see. Let's make this as simple as possible. All right, so we don't care. We don't really want any of that shit. Xcode build dot. Unknown build action. Okay, so we have to specify the project. Why wouldn't they make that the default? I have no clue. Oh, all right, let's, excuse me for a moment here. Oh, okay, well that worked, supposedly. So then how do I run this? Where did this end up? Oh, oops. How do I run this with my simulator? let's see here. Blah, blah, blah. Launching a specific, no, don't care. This is like a lot of work here. So I have to install it. All right, let's see. All right, how do I list the devices here? The simplest way to launch simulators is to do that. Okay, but I need to. Oh, Jesus. Whoa, why does this have so many? Oh my God. Which one have I been using? I think I've been using the 17. I don't think it really matters that much, but why are there so many of these guys? Okay. Well, I guess we'll do this one, right? It seems reasonable. So I need to install this. Oh, whoops. Not quite. Not that one. Unable to look up. I have to. Oh, really? I cannot. I have to actually launch the emulator first. That's stupid. Okay, now we just have to shit around while that is launching, I guess. That doesn't look like it's doing much of anything. Core simulator. Oh, it is doing something. All right, well, let's try this again. Oh, so that worked. Oh, that booted it in the background. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look how, oh my God, how much crap do you have to do to run this thing? All right, fine. And then launch. Why do I need to do that? Okay, fine. And I need the bundle identifier. I don't remember what I made that. Let's see if we can figure that out. com.foobar.date/night. Okay. Well, what the fuck? Why didn't that work? Alright, let's grok it. It's time. Yeah, but we just did that. Like, it exists. No? Launch booted. Available? It is booted. Does it need to be capital B booted? Fuck you. Come on. What? No devices are booted. Unlikely. Oh, we can just use it by name. Oh, okay, here, let's do that. iPhone 17. What do you mean shut down? It says it's booted right there. Come on. Launch booted. Yeah, okay. Okay, you want me to blow these away? Fine. I can do that. That sucks. Okay, well, alright, good. We learned we can... Oh. Unable to device in current state booted. The fuck are you talking about? Do I need to do run shutdown? Okay. Alright, you know what? That doesn't really matter. That I don't really... Yeah, hopefully we don't need to care about that. So then we need to install again. Tim Apple really does not want us to not be using Xcode, does he? Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. What do you mean? What do you mean it's booted right there? Ugh. Unbelievable. Come on. It's booted. It's booted, you rat bastard. Are you kidding me? What? Alright, so we'll launch this. Okay. It looks like we did successfully blow it away. So that is still not unable to look up in current state. Shut down. How is that possible? It's booted, but it says it's not booted. It's not like any of these other ones are booted, right? No. I'm using... Alright, well, let's try the UUID. That's invalid? Why? How is that possible that it's invalid? What is this thing saying? Why would it do that? Look, it's right there. It doesn't make any freaking sense. Yeah, what is going on with here? Is core simulator state desync? This just like happens? This is a classic error? Are you kidding me? How is that possible? Alright, let's try that. What the fuck? Alright, well I do have this open. Okay, let's close that. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, okay, no, that's right, that's right. Kill simulator processes and service. Okay. Okay, we did that. Alright, it's shut down now. Okay, fine. What are you talking about? Oh, okay, alright, it's deleted. Fine, okay, cool. Incompatible device. Okay, you know what? We will just recreate that in Xcode. Fine. Oh my god. I thought that we were going to be able to make good use of like because I started like 10 minutes early. I thought for sure, oh, we'll be able to get some extra stuff done. I'll just be able to move to Xcode today and then it'll be awesome. This is not the right thing. How do I, new simulator, here we go. I want iPhone 17, 26.2. Oh, maybe that's the problem. Oh yeah, there we go. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, we launch it. We install it. Okay, and then oh, come on. We launch. No, come on. Come on, why? How? Oh, maybe it's because I'm sudoing. Oh, fuck you. Come on. No. What's going on here? Are you serious? All right, shall we try the extra nuclear option that this thing says, and just kill all or delete all the emulators that this thing has installed? uh, oh my god. How is this so bad? How is it possible this thing is such a this is like so effed up? I don't understand. It's booted. How do I and because this time I didn't even get it, it was denied. Why was it denied? Why would it do that? All right, tell me why would it be denied? Okay, yeah, who cares? Install succeeded. App built for wrong SDK. Oh, fuck me. I have to, simulator needs iPhone simulator. Oh my god, that was for sure the problem. Okay. Now, where in the world was that? Okay. And then dash SDK iPhone simulator. Okay. Come on. Oh, because we're that's not the right one. Did that. Oh, okay. Here we go. It didn't launch it. Or does it launch it from the command line? how do I? Is it supposed to to do that? Well, okay, because this is the thing I want. Okay, well, I guess I still have to do that. Wow, that is like an... What the fuck is this? This is not the right one. Come on. This is like last year's model of, of simulator here. Why did it default to this one? That's interesting. Here we go. All right, let's try that again. Sorry, so how do I get this to just open up to the one that I'm using here? Like I said, that's kind of what I want for now. Oh, that is really weird that... Alright, oh, that unboots it. Oh, poo. All right, so I think it is launching it, but it's not, yeah, it's not letting it get the GUI. Oh, it's really annoying. So I do have to do both of these to get it to work. But then why did it last time? That sucks. Last time it went into, yeah, into like this ancient simulator. Oh my god! Wow, what a pain in the hiney here to just get that working. Because all right, but we got it. We got it, quote unquote, working. I think. Okay, so here's what we're going to do now is I want to turn all of that junk into like a build script that I can just have hotkeyed to like leader B in NeoVim. That is the goal, is to be able to just do that and then never have to launch Xcode again. I think that should be pretty achievable now. Just like we just need this really. You know, wherever it is. Here we go. Okay, that's it for the build. And then I forget how I do this on one of my other things here. Let's see. I don't have any of my... I don't have any of my like debug ones here, so let's clone something. Slash pack night. Is that it? Fuck, what are these things called? It's been too long now. I don't remember my own repos names. Okay, where is, oh, escape velocity, that's the one we want. Okay. Because I'm just trying to remember what my macro is to do any of this shit. I think the way I have my my like things set up, my NeoVim hotkeys. Yeah, here we go. I think what it is doing is it's looking for, yeah, it's just looking for an executable called main to do the debug. So actually I have to redo this because I kind of really only set this up to work with my Windows Remedy BG stuff. So I'm gonna have to redo that to get it working with a generic for any kind of type here. Okay, so because I don't think I can enforce my, it doesn't make any sense to enforce the trying to get the Xcode build tools to just pop me out a main executable that doesn't do anything. That's just not going to happen. That's not how that's going to work. So let's just let's make like a debug dot shell or run dot shell sh, and we will stick in all of the stuff here that that we want. So there. Okay, so first we have to boot the iPhone simulator, right? And then we do that, and then we do that. And then we have to do the open. Okay. Yeah, this is like a really bad bad script right now, obviously, but we just want it to work. Oh, I have to chmod it. Okay, and then I have to do, whoops. Wait, I thought that, oh. That's not right. Oh man, I gotta figure out how to get rid of these viewer bots. Okay, and then I think it's open-a simulator, right? Let's see. That's not right. find it. Open. Okay, little a. And then big S. Okay, let's try that. Oh, thank God. Holy moly, we got it working. Holy smokes. What a pain in the hiney. All right, let's commit that. Oh, I need to git ignore for this repo. Let's just find one Xcode. Git ignore. Because we certainly don't want all of this crap here. Did I not name that right? Okay. That didn't. Why didn't add the build folder? Okay, and then we want to add that Xcode shared data. Yeah, we don't want any of that shit. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, let me check, because I think I may have been checking in build artifacts in there. It's possible I'm not, because I think through Xcode it, I do have this stuff checked in. Yeah, you know what? That's fine. I don't really care. As long as I didn't check in like the actual build directory, because that would be really annoying. But I think we're good. This looks like all stuff that I want in there. Okay, well, that's nice. All right, we did it. We did it. Yeah. We pretty much did the thing we were trying to do today, which is remove Xcode from all of our lives. All right, and on that note, I'm gonna go stand up for a second and brew a new pot of tea. Not a new cup of tea, but I'll be right back. of these days I'll get the bright idea of brewing the tea on camera. And that will probably make things a lot more interesting. Okay. All right. Now we can go change things, because this is, I've wanted to do this for a while. Or first of all, how do I get rid of this like garbage, this like advertisement for fake stuff off of my screen here? Let's see, filtering. Oh, filter. Here we go. Filter stream boo. Haha. Hide common chatbots. Oh, yeah, let's do that. Hide command starting with, okay. Let's. I'm trying to figure out how how you do Twitch modding live on camera here. All right, you know what? I think that's good enough. It's a little less terrible. That's still really annoying because I don't think I can get rid of that. What a pain in the butt. How about? Oh shoot. How about if I go to the source here, interacting with chat? Because this is a problem that I have now had for a couple of days in a row here. I'm insulted. I am so insulted because I am only getting the bots that are asking me to view bot. And don't they know that's just not the point of life. Well, shoot. I don't know if I can really get that refreshed, unfortunately, right now. Oh wait, here we go. No. Hey, never mind. Damn. Well, hopefully, no. Alright, fine. You know what? I will take this guy, this robot. We will manually filter him. Oh, whoops. Uh-oh. I just duplicated my chat a couple times. No. It's really a lot of work to get rid of this shit. Alright, fine. You know what? It's good enough. Alright, we're just wasting time here. Let's go add a couple levels. We want to go into .config/envim because now it is time to oh, what is different in here? Okay. Oh. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Alright, fuck it. I guess we're not worrying about GiantLS4 now. Okay, so what I want to do is, right, I want to rewrite this thing. My LSP, no, not my LSP, my leader R. I want leader R to be my launch the thing I just built. So I think my goal, my goal with all of this NeoVim setup is, for it to be portable to any OS, any of my repos. I'm always going to look for build and run for a builder or run script in the root of the repo, and have that be where the real logic lies. Because I want to have shortcuts so I don't have to leave NeoVim ever to do stuff. So I need to change this part to be OS specific. Let's see if I can find it. Yes, I want this. Oh wow, I have all of these already. That's not it. Uh-oh. So I want in remap. This is my, if I'm on Windows, else. Then I want to do build.bat, right, blah, blah. And then we want this to be run.bat, right? Makes sense? Makes sense. Then instead, it'll be .shell. Right? And let's not worry about that one for right now. So that will break like my that will break some stuff, but that's fine because we're not really using it. So leader, oh frick. I have to chmod it. If I chmod, is that stuck in my file system, or will it be like that if I pull somewhere else? Let's test that out. This is my lack of Unix knowledge. Oops, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, didn't mean to do that. Hopefully that doesn't cause problem. Not slash. Wait, what? That worked. Command not found dot build dot. So I guess it is it seems to be not escaping that properly, or not doing it the way I thought it would do it. Oh, because yes, these need to be the other way around. Okay, let's try that. Oh, awesome. Oh, so awesome. Oh, that gonna work? Oh, it worked! Ah, yes, yes! Oh, so amazing. Oh, Xcode, you can go suck a fat one. Okay, we want the DS store in this thing too. Oh, so perfect. Oh, so amazing. God, build working and DS store to ignore. Oh, so incredible. All right, so now we have to go just back to here and commit that change. Made run macro generic. It's not really generic, but generic for me. Oh, so awesome. That more than anything else I think I've done so far. For this project, that just feels awesome. Oh, look at this. Oh, I can do a rebuild. I can do a rerun. Oh, didn't like that. I liked it well enough. Oh, so good. All right, so we are losing functionality, obviously. We are losing the active preview that we had in Xcode, but I really just don't care. You know, it will be fine. It will be fine for now. The real thing that would be cool is if we could be hot reloading into the simulator. Can you hot reload into Python simulator? Dev. Maui, I see that. I say no. Live previewing. Okay, so we can get this to work. We have to install this thing. Inject. So what does this do? Okay, I mean, it looks like someone figured out how to do it. It's just not possible with Swift. Well, obviously it is possible. So it is physically possible to do it. It's just, yeah. Okay, so we're seeing this inject crap again. All right, let me star this. Obviously we have like 9 minutes left here today, so I don't think this is going to happen. But this is good to know that that this is an option here. But we'll just try for like a couple of days to to do stuff without that, and at the point that it gets really irritating, we will we'll add it in. Okay, but hey, that is awesome. That makes me so happy that I can go back to NeoVim and on my setup and not have to worry about this horse hockey, as I would call it. And this may be the first stream today, or first stream where I've accomplished what I set out to do in that title, which is getting rid of Xcode from my lift. From my lift. Well, Yeah, well, I guess that's pretty much it for today, everybody. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day at work, at school, um, whatever you're up to, you know, watching cartoons. We'll do one last sip, I guess, and I think for next time I need to look at the color correction on my camera here because my background is like so gray right now. It looks terrible. Um, but if I show you this, I'm using my camera is the Razer Keo. It's just like webcam I bought a while ago because I have like the Razer Blade laptop, and this was just like what they had in the Walmart or not the Walmart, the Best Buy or wherever it was that I went to at the time. And this is what it looks like without any color correction, and it looks terrible and all washed out, and the color, like my face, looks really bad. And then this is my color correction that I tried applying, and it still does not look good. I think, and I have effed around with it so many times. I think with it's my light situation is very different than normal. It's like all white because there's so much snow outside, which I think is not helping. But yeah, what are you gonna do? Uh, anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good day, and